In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Etsy reviews in Webflow. Unfortunately, since Webflow doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party widget. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked to the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to go to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widget button. Simply hover over it and look for the reviews section right here. Then about halfway down, you will see Etsy reviews. I want you to click on that and then you'll be taken to the Etsy reviews widget page. From here, click on this create widget for free button and then you'll be taken down to the reviews template section. So on the left hand side, you have a bunch of different review templates they can choose from. And then on the right hand side, you have a fully interactive and live preview of what the selected template will look like on your Webflow website. Now this right here is for desktop, but if you click the mobile icon here in the top right corner, you also get a mobile preview of it as well. Now bear in mind that all of these templates are not final in terms of design. We can actually customize pretty much anything that you see on the screen. I'm going to show you how to do that in the next section. For now, go ahead, choose the template that you like the most, and then click on continue this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Then you'll be taken to this section, which is where we can start customizing your Etsy reviews widget to your liking. But the first thing you want to do here is go ahead and add the relevant Etsy URL to the widget. That way it's going to pull the relevant reviews. So in this particular case, I'm going to use this example that we have right here. So this is what it would look like. This is the format that you need to follow. Enter your Etsy shop link to display your reviews. For example, this link right here, which is what I'm going to use. By the way, .com reviews are supported for this widget as well. So yeah, go ahead and paste your Etsy shop link right here. Give it a couple of seconds and don't do anything until it updates right here and you can see the reviews. I would recommend you to turn the AI generated summary off because it's not relevant, and if you want to keep this as authentic as possible, it's best not to have this on. Then at the bottom here, you also have filters and sorting. These are some additional customizations they can make to how your reviews are going to be displayed. And then once you're ready with this part of the widget, on the left hand side you also see layout, header, review, style and settings. These are some additional customizations that you can take advantage of to further customize your Etsy reviews widget. So for example, if you go to style right here, the current color scheme of the widget is light, but I can actually go ahead and change that to dark, and I feel like it looks much better considering the orange of Etsy against the black of the actual widget. I'm also going to change the accent color from blue to orange, just like this, to keep it more on brand with Etsy. You can also go ahead and change the font as well, but in my case I'm not going to do that. It looks pretty nice already. And if you want to, you can also go ahead and customize specific elements of the widget, such as the background, the title, the header, the rating, and it's all very self-explanatory. I don't need to go for every single one and show you how to do it. Feel free to explore all the customizations at your own pace and customize the widget to your liking. If you go to review right here, you can change the review style as well as the review source style. So as you can see, there's a bunch of different options they can choose from. For the header here, you can hide the header if you don't want it there, or you could just hide specific elements that you don't want to have, but I would recommend you have them. In my case though, I'm going to go ahead and hide the write a review button right here because it's not relevant for me. Then once you're ready with customizing your Etsy reviews widget, go ahead and click on add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen, and then your review widget will be saved up and you'll be taken to a new page, which is where we need to go ahead and publish the widget. So in the top right corner of the screen, you will see a green publish button. In my case, as you can see, it's grayed out because my widget is already published, but in your case it won't be. So go ahead, click on publish, and then you'll be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started or if you're just testing out Elfsight, this is a good plan to go for. Do bear in mind that this comes with some Elfsight branding, which I'm going to show you in just a second. So if you want your reviews widget to be 100% ad free, then I would recommend you to go for one of the premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different options they can choose from, and if you decide to pay annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. So yeah, browse for the different plans, choose the one that best suits your needs, and then you will automatically be taken to this page here, which is where we can copy the code for your Etsy reviews widget. Click on copy code, and then let's head over to Webflow so we can start integrating it. As you can see, I'm already in my Webflow editor right here, and what I've done is gone ahead and added a brand new section here that I'm going to add my reviews widget to. So go ahead, select the section that you want to add your reviews widget to. It could be anywhere on your Webflow website, it doesn't really matter, and then click on this plus icon here in the top left corner of the screen. Then I want you to search for code in the search block of yield, and then click on code embed right here. Then in this block, simply paste the code that we just copied previously from Elfsight, give it a couple of seconds, and then click on save and close right here, and then let's go ahead and publish the website. so we can see the changes once we actually go ahead and preview the website. Just give it a couple of seconds to load right here, and then let's go ahead and preview the site. So you can see that's the preview mode, and here are Etsy reviews. As you can see, the widget is fully interactive and it looks super nice and clean. This down here is the little elf site branding that I talked about. So if that's too much of a bother for you, you can basically get rid of it by going for one of the premium plans and it will automatically be removed. On the top left here, you will see this panel. Don't worry about it. It's only visible by you just in case you want to make any changes to the widget while it's still live on your Webflow website. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add Etsy reviews in Webflow. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help you out.